What's going on there, everyone? Alright, today, this story should really ruffle some feathers, no matter what side of the political aisle you're on. This is a completely inexcusable use of ridiculous force by the police department down there in Arizona. Arizona couple files $10 million lawsuit after cops allegedly pull guns on family after 4-year-old steals doll. Now, it's not alleged. I don't know why Fox News put allegedly in there. The videos are that, they are just inexcusable. Well, let's get on with the story a little bit. An Arizona couple filed a $10 million lawsuit against the city of Phoenix, claiming police officers committed civil rights violations after video showed them allegedly, I don't know why they keep using that word. If it's showing you, it's not alleged. It happened. It's a fact. So I don't know why they keep saying that. Allegedly pointing guns at them, at the two, after their 4-year-old daughter stole a doll from a dollar store last month. It's 4-year-old. It's a doll from a dollar store. It's not that big of a deal. Sorry. It's just not. Drayvon Ames and Aisha Harper of Phoenix, who filed the legal claim on Wednesday, said that on May 29th, they went to a family dollar store with their children, London, 1, and Island, 4. God, millennial people, stop naming your kids ridiculous names. They said, took a doll from the store without their knowledge, which kids do stupid shit like that all the time. Excuse my language, I apologize. But kids do stupid stuff like this all the time, especially when they're 4. They have no concept of stealing. They don't know what that is. They just see something they like and they grab it. The couple said they drove to their babysitter's apartment complex when a police car pulled up behind them, pulled open the driver's side door of their car, and began shouting profanities at them in front of the kids. The parents said an officer injured London by pulling on one of her arms after the mother refused a command to put the child down because she said the girl couldn't walk and the pavement was hot. And also, said Ames, was injured by police who erroneously claimed that he wasn't complying with their commands after Ames exited the vehicle that the family was traveling in. An officer is accused of throwing Ames against the vehicle, kicking his leg so hard that Ames collapses, and punching him for no reason. The claim said one of the officers profanely told Ames in front of his children that he was going to shoot him in the face. And yes, he did say that. Video posted online seemingly. I hate these words. They always put in words that try to cast doubt. When there's video evidence, don't use these type of words, because there's video evidence. Ugh. It seemingly shows officer yelling, "Get your effing hands up, and you're gonna effing get shot." And yeah, the videos are right here on this Fox News article. I'm not going to play them because they are long, and there is quite a bit of profanity from the police officers. And, YouTube and their censorship campaign. So I'm not going to play these videos, but I do encourage you to head on and check these videos out for yourself and see how disgusting this matter was. This is completely, it's just police brutality at its finest. At its finest. These officers are something else. They should be fired. They should be put in jail for assault and battery. That's what they should have happened to them. But yeah, I'm going to put a link in the description. I definitely suggest taking a look at this for yourself. Phoenix Police Department Chief Jerry Williams said on Friday that she began an internal investigation as soon as she found out what was happening. I, like you, am disturbed by the language and the actions of our officer. I assure you that this incident is not representative of the majority of the Phoenix police officers who serve this city, Williams said. The police department claims the incident happened on May 27th and described a different version of events. While the parents' attorneys said that the child and father were injured in the encounter, police says no injuries were reported to them. I bet these people wouldn't want to report anything else to the police, nor have anything to do with them. They just literally were attacked by the police over a dollar store doll that a 4-year-old took. Police, in a Facebook post on Saturday, also said there were other stolen items in the vehicle during the encounter besides the doll. The department said the officer was at the dollar store on an unrelated shoplifting call when store employees told him about another shoplifting complaint and directed him towards a vehicle that was leaving the parking lot as the officer approached. The officer had told Ames, who was driving the vehicle, to stop, but he didn't, police said. Now, when it comes to that, you're outside of a car that is on and moving, and you say stop to a person inside of a moving vehicle. Do you think that person really would have even noticed? No, probably not. Come on, use your head. These cops are not using their heads, or like any portion of it. Another woman who was inside the vehicle was dropped off at another location before the family reached the apartment complex. She had 3 outstanding misdemeanor warrants and was booked, police said. That is completely besides the point. Police said Harper, the mother of the 2 children, remained in the vehicle and later explained that she believed one of her daughters had stolen the doll because they didn't have any money. Both parents were handcuffed and detained inside police vehicles, but they were eventually released. Tom Horn, an attorney representing the family, said. No one was charged for shoplifting because the property was returned, and the store employees didn't want the case prosecuted, police said, but Ames was given a traffic citation for driving on a suspended license. That also doesn't matter. It's not relevant to the actual case that was happening. Phoenix Mayor Kate Gallego said in a statement that she is sick over what I have seen in the video depicting Phoenix police interacting with a family and young children. She called the situation completely inappropriate and clearly unprofessional. It was criminal. That's what I saw. I saw the police being criminals. The mayor added that the city is speeding up the use of police body cameras. Every single precinct will have body-worn cameras by August, she said. You're a little late to the party. Rapper Jay-Z's Team Rock has reached out to the family to provide legal support and has called for the police officers involved to be fired. Like I said, yes, they should be fired and they should be prosecuted for assault and battery. The officers involved have since been assigned to desk duty as department investigates. The Associated Press contributed to this report. All right. These officers are still in the department. I really want y'all to go look at this video and tell me what you think, because my God, this is the type of stuff that gives law enforcement a terrible name. It's stories like these, and the media is going to pick up on them. Hell, I'm picking up on it, and it's going to be talked about, and it should be talked about, though. Cops have certain obligations. I know a lot of police departments have taken out protect and serve from their mottos. I don't think that was wise, because it just kind of showed that they're not here for your safety and all that. They're more here, in a lot of cases, kind of to harass. That's what they do sometimes in certain districts and certain precincts all over the country. But this needs to be talked about. And the fact that they are on desk duty and not immediately fired, I mean, the video is horrific. The way they treated these people. I don't care if they stole all kinds of things from the store. I wouldn't care. You do not treat someone like that. You do not treat human beings like that. But, as always, like, share, and subscribe, and I will catch y'all on the flip side.